Okay, my friends, I got a little project here. I want to show you how to fix these cracks in these sill plates here. You see somebody dropped something on here, probably something heavy, sharp, cracked the molding here. And there's a kit you can buy. It's called the Sill Face Frame Kit. This is a model 661, which would also work on a 561. Here's the part number 4203930. And it's just a matter of, they give you, in the kit, they give you a tube of white silicone, and they give you a new sill, which is right here, which I just put this double-sided tape on. So here are the instructions. Freezer face frame sill patch. This is for the freezer side. I'm sure they make one for the refrigerator too. Very simple repair. And you can see it right here. And it just covers that hole. And then you put the silicone around it. It's got this little crease in here, right here, the little bend to compensate for that. And you just put that on just like that. And then you put your white silicone around it. So let's peel that off. Now, when I bought this kit, it didn't come with the double-sided tape. It only had a small, tiny piece. I'm sure that was a manufacturer's problem. So I went out and bought this. I actually bought this online from Amazon. It's made by 3M. Alright? So that's going to go on. And by the way, I wiped this down with some enamel reducer, really light coating, just to get any grease off there. So you want to make sure you get this on. You want this little lip right here at the edge. You line it up. Just like that. Press down, rub it down. And then you take your white silicone, RTV. You can probably use any white, but this is what it came with the kit. So let me get a little bit of water so we can wipe it. Once we put it on, we'll wipe it down, and then we can finish this project. Alright, so we're going to put a little cut here. Okay, squeeze away. You know, I never knew these kits were even available. So I called Sub-Zero last week and asked them about it. They said, "Oh yeah, we got that." That's great. I'm sure they make one for refrigerator side also. Probably should cut a bigger slice, a little bit more off the hair. Don't worry about the overlap. We're going to wipe that off. Okay, now you're going to get your finger and you're going to wet it. Just like that. That's about it. Very simple repair. Alright, we'll wait for that silicone to dry and then we'll wipe this down and get those fingerprints off there. Alright guys, see you on the next one.